Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep compass tail light. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and the new replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll find the tail light assembly on the rear side of your Jeep compass, typically near the edge of the vehicle. Now, let's access the tail light. Open your Jeep compass's rear hatch to reveal the two retaining screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these two screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to detach it. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Locate the bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, making sure it is seated correctly and securely. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.